Little Nightmares 3. So, skip past all this. So what you're gonna wanna do, go to multiplayer. It's gonna say attempted to create a session. Alright, and once you're here, you can invite any of the people in your friends list. So if you're on PC, you're gonna press enter. If you're on controller, press A. Press enter, and then your friend should be playing Little Nightmares 3. It should say Little Nightmares 3 in the description of their name, and you're gonna press on them, okay, like this. And then once they join, it's gonna tell you to start a game or start something, and then you're gonna want to pick your save and then join the game and pick your character. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.